Jalwa, Jalwa.
Yo, blaze up the walk, light it up to the beat. Come on,
Jalwa,
give it to me.
Jalwa,
Give it to me.
Jalwa.
Gorgeous with attitude and never latitude. Miss hot booty, come on, baby, do your duty work.
जिस्मों का है ये जलवा, जिस्मों का है ये जलवा, शोहरत भी दे ये जलवा, मकसद भी दे ये जलवा.
Tell him like it is. I can't hear.
दिलकश लगे ये जलवा, मैं कश लगे ये जलवा, नशा ही नशा ये जलवा, मजा ही मजा, नशा ही नशा.
Throw it up, throw it up.
जलवा आग सी रवानियां,
I know a lot of y'all wouldn't expect it.
लेती गए अंगड़ाइयां.
Yo, I'm the hottest girl around.
ये जला दे दिलों में चिंगारियां. ये जलवा, ये जलवा, फैशन का है ये जलवा. ये जलवा, ये जलवा, फैशन का है ये जलवा. ये जलवा, ये जलवा, फैशन का है ये जलवा. ये जलवा, ये जलवा, फैशन का है ये जलवा.
She got the styling in her. Not even smiling in her. She got the styling in her.
Come, come along, feel the rhythm is in the air. Shake it on, yeah. Keep swaying in style. Move by my side as the music is soaring. Go on, shouting and roaring,
Tell me.
dancing all night.
है अदा का नजराना, हर जुबा को अफसाना, हर किसी पे छा जाना. हो ये जलवा, दर्द सबको मस्ताना, है जमाना दीवाना, दिन में दौरे दिखलाना. ये जलवा, आओ किसी रवानियों,
I know a lot of y'all wouldn't expect it.
लेती गई अंगड़ाइयां.
Yo, I'm the hottest girl around.
ये जला दे दिलों में चिंगारियां. ये जलवा, ये जलवा, फैशन का है ये जलवा. ये जलवा, ये जलवा, फैशन का है ये जलवा. ये जलवा, ये जलवा, फैशन का है ये जलवा.
Studying fashion designing and has a passion for singing. When I see him, I remember Varun, my dear friend here, he's somewhere here. When he came here as a student, he had a passion for dancing. And people said, dancing, Bollywood dancing, Sydney. But look at him today. He's getting awards from left, right, center, even from the Prime Minister he got an award. And when I see this young man, I think he is following Varun's footsteps. He's recently launched his first single in Pakistan, which was partly shot in Sydney and partly in Pakistan. The Sydney filming was done by Varun. We did it here. And the Pakistan was done by another director there. And it was edited in Pakistan, and it's just been launched there. Soon, hopefully, we will find it here. And I'm going to invite him to sing that single for us. And believe me, it's really amazing. So, presenting Umar Iftikhar.
बोल मिट्टी दिया बावे आनी तेरे दुखा ने मार मुकाले आनी मेरा नाजुक माही आजा हो हो हो
Sing again.
We need to mention this.
I'll be needing your claps. और अगर इसको मिलके हम लोग परफॉर्म करेंगे तो आई थिंक दैट विल बी ग्रेट. बोल मिट्टी दिया बावे आनी तेरे दुखा ने मार मुका ले आनी मेरा नाजुक माही आजा हो बोल मिट्टी दिया बावे आनी तेरे दुखा ने मार मुका ले आनी मेरा नाजुक माही आजा हो मिट्टी दा मैं बावा बनाया मिट्टी दा मैं बावा बनाया उत्ते चा दित्ती ए खेसी ए वतना वाले मान करन कि मैं मान करा परदेसी मेरा नाजुक माही आजा हो बूहे अगे पानी वगदा नी साडा कलियां दा जी नहीं लगदा नी हुन करनू आजा हो आजा बोल मिट्टी दिया बावे आनी तेरे दुखा ने मार मुका ले आनी मेरा नाजुक माही आजा हो हथ मेरे विच वखियां तेरा राह तक तक थक गईयां अखियां हो मैनू गल नल ला जा आजा हो बूहे अगे लावा बेरियां हो गल्लां कर कर होन तेरियां मेरियां हो मन शक्ल दिखा जा आजा हो आजा हो आजा हो Thank you very much. Next track, this is another upcoming track from the same album. इसका वीडियो जो है वरुण तिवारी के साथ ही हम नेक्स्ट शूट करने जा रहे हैं और you can log on to facebook.com/umariftakharofficial.com for the fan page And the video for the Aaja Ho will be released very soon in Sydney. That's directed by Varun Tiwari, very super talented hero of Sydney. Or you can watch that online as well on YouTube. तो second track हम लोग play करेंगे हंस के बोल.
मुझे पलकों को तेरी रहने दे मुझे दिल के पास दे दे तू मुझे तेरे सारे गम ना हो तू मेरी जान उदास तेरे लिए छाटूं आसमां तारे ज़मीन ले आऊं मैं यहाँ तू जो कहे दे दूं तुझे मैं सारा ये जहां तेरे लिए है यहाँ मेरी जान चन तारे विच लभदी फिरा मैं तेरी राह माही मैं तेरी याद च जागा सारी रात माही मैं तेरी याद च जागा सारी रात सोने दिलदारा नाम तो तेरे वारी वारी जा तेरी यादों आवा रब कोलों मंगा तू है मेरी जान जो देखूं तुझे मैं लगे सब तू ही तू है वो पल भी क्या पल है कि जब तू रूबरू है तेरे लिए छाटूं आसमां तारे ज़मीन ले आऊं मैं यहाँ तू जो कहे दे दूं तुझे मैं सारा ये जहां तेरे लिए है यहाँ मेरी जान चन तारे विच लभदी फिरा मैं कोई डोर माही वे जरा हंस के ते एक बारी बोल माही वे जरा हंस के ते एक बारी बोल
थैंक यू वेरी मच थैंक यू सो मच स्पेशल थैंक्स मैं कहना चाहूँगा मिस्टर रियाज शाह साहब का कि वो आए और हम सबकी अप्रिसिएशन के लिए थैंक यू सो मच रियाज शाह साहब थैंक यू
How was Umar? थोड़ी तालियां हो जाएं. Little round of applause. Oh, everyone understands तालियां. Very good.
I was going to say, what are you saying?
You know, everybody understands तालियां and गालियां.
Oh,
You know, applause and abuse.
oh.
So, okay, I just wanted to let you know that on the 16th of August, we're having an after party for Dream Girl with all the winners, all the participants, and all of you are invited. There's a couple, Sam and Pritika, who's organizing this party. They're outside, they're selling tickets for the party. It's only $20. Come and support the girls. It's at, I think, Knox, Liverpool.
Yeah.
So they have a small stall outside, and they are putting down names. And I would love if all of us could join and party. And the party will start at 11 p.m. and go on till, I don't know. So, no excuse about working. It's a Saturday. Come and join us.
Yeah, I think I'll be there, so then I get to meet you all in person as well. Everyone in the dark. Can't see you.
And I'm going to ask you a question now.
What?
It's not the question round, but I'm going to ask you a question.
World peace is the most important thing.
No, what I'm... No, that's not the answer for every question.
Oh, sorry.
We saw these beautiful contestants here, and they were all amazing. So what's better than seeing those contestants?
Better than seeing those contestants? Seeing those contestants doing something amazing?
Yeah, in fact, seeing those contestants doing something together. All of them on stage.
Something together and amazing.
Yes. This round is not going to be judged because they're trying to do something. When I'm studying my film, we got a project called integration, which is so much pain. But this is integration.
Because the judges, they can't work all night. They have to have a bit of a break as well. And
Yeah,
have fun.
so judges can sit back and enjoy. It's about fashion, and Bollywood's all about fashion. And
Colors, style, light, action.
Colors. But why are we all wearing black? You're wearing black, I'm wearing black, Umar was wearing black, even
so
Vijay is
they
wearing
look
black.
better. So they can look better.
Anyway,
yeah.
this round is about fashion, and it's sponsored by CineStar Fashion Liverpool, Yogesh Sharma ji, who's again a very solid support behind us. He guided us along the way. He's the biggest promoter in Sydney. He does huge Bollywood events. He got Sonu Nigam, he got Adnan Sami, and I don't know what else he has up his sleeve, but he does massive shows. And he was a very big guide in helping us with this show. So,
great teamwork from everyone.
and
isn't
all
it?
the clothes that the girls are wearing in this round are, given by him and selected by him. So
let's see what it's all about.
yeah, let's see a riot of color, fashion, and music.
Enjoy. Enjoy, judges. Don't work too hard.
Don't go one to one. Just start singing. Don't go one to one.
होठों पे रंगत है, दिल में मोहब्बत है, क्या जिस्म औरत है, बस जन्नत ही जन्नत है। ड्रीम गर्ल किसी शायर की गजल, ड्रीम गर्ल किसी जिल का कवल, ड्रीम गर्ल किसी शायर की गजल, ड्रीम गर्ल किसी जिल का कवल, ड्रीम गर्ल कहीं तो मिलेगी, कभी तो मिलेगी, आज नहीं तो कल। ड्रीम गर्ल किसी शायर की गजल, ड्रीम गर्ल किसी जिल का कवल, ड्रीम गर्ल कभी तो मिलेगी, कहीं तो मिलेगी, आज नहीं तो कल। ड्रीम गर्ल किसी शायर की गजल, ड्रीम गर्ल। लिपटी गुलाबों में, सिमटी हिजाबों में, लिपटी गुलाबों में, सिमटी हिजाबों में, ख्वाबों में आती है भीगी हवाओं में, पास आती है वो पल दो पल। ड्रीम गर्ल किसी शायर की गजल। ड्रीम गर्ल किसी झील का कवल। ड्रीम गर्ल। जब देखती है वो मैं ढूंढ लूंगा तो। जब देखती है वो मैं ढूंढ लूंगा तो। शबनम घटाए चांदनी बन जाती है दोस्तों। रंग रूप लेती है बदल। कौन? ड्रीम गर्ल किसी शायर की गजल। ड्रीम गर्ल किसी झील का कवल। ड्रीम गर्ल। गम से बिछड़ जाऊं, जी से गुजर जाऊं। गम से बिछड़ जाऊं, जी से बिछड़ जाऊं। क्या तेरी मर्जी है, कुछ कहे जरा जाऊं। ओ कभी पर्दे से बाहर निकल। ड्रीम गर्ल किसी शायर की गजल। ड्रीम गर्ल किसी झील का कवल। ड्रीम गर्ल कहीं तो मिलेगी, कभी तो मिलेगी, आज नहीं तो कल। ड्रीम गर्ल किसी शायर की गजल। ड्रीम गर्ल किसी झील का कवल। ड्रीम गर्ल किसी शायर की गजल। ड्रीम गर्ल, ड्रीम गर्ल, ड्रीम गर्ल। Thank you. Weren't the girls looking fantastic? I think you judges have got a really difficult job tonight, haven't you?
I think you were looking like Krishna, you know, with all the gopis around.
I hardly get this chance, you know.
You know, while I was sitting there watching them, and I was feeling so proud. You know, like, I think if my father was here today sitting, he would be proud to see what we've done. As I always say, you know, it doesn't matter how many people watch your film or read your book. What matters is what you've put into it. And I am so happy to see all these girls do such a wonderful job again. And I could see a lot of cheering and clapping and applause for certain participants. I'm sure all of you have your favorites. So there is a voting sheet going around in the audience. I would request you to put down the name or number of your favorite contestant, and there is a crown for that. And there, along with that voting sheet, you also have to put your name and email, and one lucky winner also gets a prize from the audience. So please do support your favorites and make them win.
Yeah, everyone has some power tonight.
Yeah, power of the pen.
Yeah, make someone happy.
Yeah, make someone happy, yeah. If you like someone, show it. And while the girls are changing for their next competitive round, which is it's a rocking round, it's called the Bollywood round, where we are going to showcase different eras of Bollywood, starting from the 1960s to the most recent film. So they are preparing for that, and Vijay is going to sing another song for you.
Oh, yay. Did you see that we like dressed
Yeah,
the same?
did you buy this cloth in a,
We went shopping.
wholesale shopping? Or you got buy one, get one free?
Yeah. It's matching. His and hers.
Yeah, I know. So I also got inspired and put on something black, I said, I'll match
But
it.
what's hanging at the bottom?
Oh yeah, this is, it's multicultural. The Indian, Australian. Yeah.
Good idea. Good thinking.
Yeah, I didn't have time to change completely, so that's the secret behind it. Anyway, let Vijay sing. You're not getting the girls this time, okay? All right.
Yeah.
Thank you. Thank you. A round of applause for our MCs. This next song is a new song from a Bollywood film, just released, so I'm trying to learn it still. यूं ही डूबे दिन मेरे यूं ही होते हैं सवेरे यूं ही मरना और जीना यूं ही मंदिर और मदीना यूं ही डूबे दिन मेरे यूं ही होते हैं सवेरे यूं ही मरना और जीना यूं ही मंदिर और मदीना तेरी गलियां गलियां तेरी गलियां मुझको भावे गलियां तेरी गलियां तेरी गलियां गलियां तेरी गलियां मुझको तड़पावे गलियां तेरी गलियां तू मेरी नींदों में सोता है तू मेरे अश्कों में रोता है सरगोशी सी है ख्यालों में तू ना हो फिर भी क्यों होता है जिला तू मेरे दर्द का मेरे दिल की दुआएं हैं तेरी गलियां गलियां तेरी गलियां मुझको भाए गलियां तेरी गलियां तेरी गलियां गलियां तेरी गलियां यूं ही तरपावे गलियां तेरी गलियां I'm missing the girls now. कैसा है रिश्ता तेरा मेरा बेचेहरे फिर भी कितना गहरा ये लम्हे ये रेशम से खो जाए खो न जाए हमसे काफिला कौन रोक ले, अब दिल से जुदा ना हो। तेरी गलियां गलियां तेरी गलियां मुझको भावे, गलियां तेरी गलियां, तेरी गलियां गलियां तेरी गलियां यूं ही तड़पावे, गलियां तेरी गलियां। One, two, check. Thank you very much, guys. I won't take more time.
At Fortune World Travel, you'll find the lowest available prices on domestic flights to all destinations around Australia, as well as cheap international flights to a huge range of worldwide destinations. We won't be beaten on price and will beat any comparable quote.
Plus, we offer 0% booking fees and 0% credit charges.
Call 1300 837 920 or visit www.fortuneworldtravel.com.au.